So it's going to be 84p Matt Webb. He's got the front row all to himself. 177 Jamie Tonetti, he's got the second row all to himself. Then 44R Shane Nicholson, 15 Callum Sturzaker, 15V, 9V Chet Swan, and 79 Kyle Rowe, 1 second heat. 16 Wayne Verco. Caelan Mooney back midfield. This time though he's starting behind William Hughes. Reverses the trend of the last couple of races. Let's go racing. Very aggressive start from William Hughes. He's trying to get to the front of the field, but Sturzaker just ran a wee bit wide, and Rowe and just slowed Hughes' progress. Meantime, Caelan Mooney's come through the inside. So it's 84 Matt Webb leads from 177 Jamie Tonetti. Oh, Callum Sturzaker spins, catches Caelan Mooney. That lets Hughes, Haley James, Kyle Rowe through. It's 84 Matt Webb from Jamie Tonetti, then 44 Shane Nicholson. Then we go back to 99S William Hughes, 79 Kyle Rowe, 18 Haley James, 26V Caelan Mooney. Callum Sturzaker's got a bit back in the field now, so he's having a bit of a play with Chet Swan. So here's your leader, 84 Matt Webb, comes across the start-finish line behind him. 177 Jamie Tonetti, 44 Shane Nicholson, then 99 William Hughes, 79 Kyle Rowe, 18 Haley James, 26 Caelan Mooney. Mooney just pushes James out of the way, picks up a place, gives Mark Rees a bit of a shove, and he slides beautifully tidily between the two cones on the infield. So some good battles going on within the battle, but it's still 84p Matt Webb leading from 177 Jamie Tonetti. Then you go back to 44 Shay Nicholson, 99 William Hughes, 79 Kyle Rowe, then 26 Caelan Mooney, 18 Haley James. They're still going at it, hammer and tongs. Good clean racing going on at the moment. Oh, Nicholson's just getting a bit held up there. Here comes Tonetti round the outside and into the lead. And then Tonetti gets held up behind the 12V car. Loses the lead just as quickly as he gained it. It's 4V Daryl Sanson spins, everybody avoids him. So it's Webb from Tonetti. 44 Nicholson, he's there in third place, in 99 Hughes. 3 to go, according to the lap scoring. So 84 Matt Webb from Palmerston North, 177 Jamie Tonetti. They're your leaders. Then 44 Shane Nicholson, that's the best run he's had tonight. 99 William Hughes, then 79 Kyle Rowe starting to get up there. Caelan Mooney's managed to put some space between himself and Haley James. It's going to be the white flag this time for 84 Matt Webb. But still nothing between him and Tonetti. One mistake from Webb, and that could change things. And oh, he runs a wee bit wide. Tonetti's right to his back bumper. Webb gets away. Tonetti makes a charge. Can he give him a bit of a shove? Can he turn him? No, he can't. Webb's going to hold on, come down, take the checkered flag. Tonetti comes home in second place. Then Nicholson, Rowe, Hughes, Mooney.